A United Nations economist has said that China's economy is steadily recovering after the pandemic and remains strong, instilling confidence in its economic future. The UN on Tuesday released a mid-year update of its World Economic Situation and Prospects 2023 report, which projected China's economy will grow 5.3% this year, up from the 4.8% forecast in January. In a recent interview with Xinhua, Hamid Rashid, lead author of the mid-year report, explained the factors behind the upward revision of China's growth.
The three factors. One is that there has been very strong rebound in retail sale in China that reflects strong household demand. Second factor, we believe that China's housing market has stabilized to a large extent, and that is a very important indicator of household well-being, because if they're buying houses, again, that means they're recovering. Third factor is that China, unlike many of the other major economies, China has significant amount of fiscal and monetary space available to support economic activities. So the government can increase spending on the fiscal side. Central bank can maintain more accommodative monetary policy stance, and that has also allowed us to revise the numbers upward.
Rashid, chief of the Global Economic Monitoring Branch, Economic Analysis and Policy Division at the UN Department of Economic and Social Affairs, said that the Chinese economy is on a very strong footing compared to others, despite some downside risks.
No, I think the Chinese economy is on a very strong footing compared to many of the countries in the developed countries, also in the developing world. But the good news for China is that whenever you see that kind of downward pressure, the fiscal and monetary side can do the thing to support it, to prop up the economic activities. So unlike in the US and Europe, you don't have that opportunity where the fiscal and monetary side can step in and provide support. So China's growth rate in the near term we see in a very strong trajectory. So yes, we are confident about China's near-term economic prospects. If the current policy mix is maintained and global external condition doesn't deteriorate further, China would be able to maintain its growth trajectory.